luggage must be stowed away in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have touched down at SSR International Airport, Plaisance. The local time is 5 minutes past 11 in the evening and the temperature outside is 22 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved during flight. You may now make and receive calls as well as use your data services. We invite you to stay in touch with us on our website and social media platforms. Thank you for choosing Air Mauritius. Do give us the opportunity to welcome you again. Goodbye and thank you. Bienvenue à l'île Maurice. Mesdames, Messieurs, nous sommes arrivés à l'aéroport international SSR Angoulême en Plaisance. Il est 23h05 en heure locale et la température est de 22 degrés Celsius. Veuillez maintenir votre ceinture attachée jusqu'à ce que la consigne attachée à votre ceinture soit éteinte. Les coffres à bagages doivent être ouverts avec précaution. Vous pouvez dès à présent faire et recevoir des appels et avoir accès à vos données. Des contacts avec nous en visitant notre site web et nos réseaux sociaux. Au revoir et merci de voyager avec Air Mauritius. Nous espérons vous accueillir très bientôt. Nous tiens content de retrouver bien vite leur Air Mauritius. Merci.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at our destination. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartment, as items may have moved during the flight and fall down. Thank you to our valued Kestrel Flyer members for their continued support. We invite you all to keep in touch with us on our website and social media platforms. Thank you for flying with